Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt lost or frustrated trying to navigate charts in TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to pan and zoom effectively in TradingView so you can analyze your charts like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be moving around your charts with total confidence, finding exactly the patterns and information you need right when you need it. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you haven't already, just open up your favorite web browser and go to TradingView.com. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page for the Products menu. This is where TradingView keeps all of its powerful charting tools. Give that a click and get yourself into the main charting workspace. This is where we'll be doing all of our navigation today. Now let's start by learning how to zoom. Zooming is super important because it lets you focus on exactly the right level of detail in your chart. Want to see a tight cluster of candles? Or maybe you need to zoom out and check the big picture. You've got plenty of options. The easiest way to zoom in or out vertically, that means making the price range taller or shorter, is to use your mouse right on the price scale. So go ahead and move your mouse over to the area along the right edge of your chart where the prices are listed. Hover your cursor there and then scroll your mouse wheel up or down. Notice how the chart stretches or scrunches vertically. This lets you get a much clearer look at prices that really matter to you and hide all those extra areas that don't. If you ever get lost and the chart looks weird, don't panic. You can always double-click the price scale to reset it. Next, let's talk about zooming horizontally, which lets you control how much time is shown on your chart. Say you want to zoom in on a volatile morning session or pull back and see weeks of movement. It's effortless. Just move your mouse down to the time labels at the bottom of your chart. That's the row where all your dates or times are located. Hover over that area and scroll your mouse wheel again. You'll see the chart stretches or contracts left and right, letting you zoom in on a narrow time frame or get a really broad view for analyzing trends. But what if you want even more precise control? TradingView's toolbar has your back. Look along the left-hand side for the toolbar and find the magnifying glass icon. That's your zoom tool. Click it, then go back to your chart. Now just click and drag to draw a box around the area you want to focus on. When you release the mouse, TradingView zooms in right to that exact spot. It's perfect when you want to zero in on a specific price swing or pattern without any guesswork. Alright, now let's talk about panning, which is really just a fancy word for moving around the chart. Sometimes after zooming, you'll want to shift your view to a different region. Just click and hold anywhere inside the chart, not on an indicator or tool, then drag your mouse left, right, up, or down. The entire chart will glide smoothly with you. Think of it like grabbing a map and sliding it around until you find the street you're looking for. If you overshoot where you want it to be, just drag it back, no worries, you can't break anything here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now you know how to zoom and pan smoothly around any chart in TradingView, just like the pros do. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical TradingView tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching and happy charting.